Honda. Hey. I make them Hondos a pig, call me Hondini. I'm doing magic with the work, it's like I'm Houdini. Bad bitch in a bikini, drinking martinis. You know my wish is her command like a fucking genie. Louis V beanie, with my cheese for my fettuccine. For this money, I be fiending, racing like a fucking demon. On the cup, I might be leaning. Pinch myself, I might be dreaming. Optical illusion, this is magic, boy, I might be scheming.
Yo, what up, world? It's your boy Hondon, back with another video. As every YouTuber say, I ain't no YouTuber, but you know, trying something out for the kids, as I told y'all last time. It's episode number 3, and today I just went and got a radiator, because the radiator that was in this car was messed up. When a tree fell on it, it knocked it down, put a hole in the bottom. I ain't really been messing with the car ever since. I cleaned it up, put it in the garage. I've been working, man. I ain't had a chance to. I'm ready to pull her out, though. Still got a lot more to do. But today we gonna mess with this radiator. You know what I mean? See what we can do. I ain't no mechanic. I'm gonna try to make it happen. Definitely gonna try to make it happen. Y'all give me a second, though, man. I'm gonna try to pull this out for y'all. You ain't your wine book, man. You ain't going outside right now. Yeah, man. Y'all got a little footage of pulling out the garage. You see it. Man, say what's up, man. Say what's up to YouTube, man. You want to be over here doing all this whining, man. You know what I mean? Give me a second, though. I got to try to take these hoses and stuff off the radiator. Ain't nobody else at home to help me. So I'm going to try to do the best I could for y'all. Recording and trying to work on the car at the same time. You know? It is what it is. Well, what's up, man? I don't know yet. Move some of these clamps. One off. That's 2. This still can be useful. Say this. I gotta get up in here, take everything off the car. Hopefully I don't get cooling everywhere. I don't know. Boy, you be quiet, man. But yeah, let's make it happen. Here they come. Say what up, world.
What up, world?
Man, say what's up, man.
What's up, world?
Like, comment, share.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? I'm in here trying to hold the camera and record.
Like, and subscribe. And see you next time.
See you next time. You already out.
No.
That boy about to go back to the park. It's all good. You heard him. See y'all next time. Ain't worth nothing. They don't even help. It's all good though. Alright. I guess let me start removing some of this. Get some of this shit together, man. Where y'all going? What? Quiet, man. Nobody want to hear over that. Got my handy dandy book bag with my tools in it. You know how I go. Make myself look like something. Talking to the camera. Y'all left me.
Where's the camera?
The camera's sitting on the car.
Where?
Right there.
Hey!
I'm over here trying to talk to the camera. Yeah, while y'all over here playing, y'all ain't helping me at all.
We can even help anyways.
I'm gonna move this mass airflow.
We can even help.
Hose. One thing about it, when you do something one time and you learn how to do it, you ain't never gotta pay nobody else to do it for you again.
Can we help to fix the power too?
No, it can't be that hard though. Or I would have paid somebody to do it.
Hi.
What's up, man? Check me out.
Can we work on the car with you? I said, can we work on the car with you?
Yeah, not this exact part right here though, man. Not this part right
Do
here.
you even know how to do it, guys?
Nah, that's why I'm sitting here talking to the camera now. Tell them I ain't never changed no radiator, but it shouldn't be that hard, man. I done did harder stuff than this before in life.
Like to build that, help to build that bridge a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the camera.
We gonna make it happen though.
It's big.
You know? We gonna make it happen. We gonna make it happen. Roy, you in the background barking. Y'all talking about what's for dinner tonight. Welcome to my world. I'm trying to fix the car and they over here messing with my stuff. Dang, matter of fact, I'm over here betting too right now on FanDuel. Yeah, I'll be right back. Hold on, let me go check that bet. Alright, man. Sun going down. Took me about an hour and a half to change the radiator out. There go the old one. Y'all see the hole on it? A little bit of tools. Of course, I ain't use all these to get the job done, but finally got the new one in there, man. Just put everything back together. Got a couple more pieces to throw on. Little radiator harness type support thing that go right there. Whatever it's called. Couple more bolts. Got a power steering reservoir hooked back up. Coolant reservoir hooked back up. New radiator in. Well, new used radiator. Long as it's work, long as it ain't leaking. Long as it get the job done. Got that done. Tomorrow I gotta come out here, recut this fender and the bumper, line it back up. Try to get that together. But yeah, man. As you can see, they still over there. This might be a short episode. But yeah. Number 3 of the YouTube videos. Just put the radiator in. Man, I wish I could have had somebody help me hold the camera the whole time. But I didn't. I'm proud of myself though. I got it done. I got it done. I got it done, people. Dirty as hell. Hands dirty. But it is what it is. As long as the job got done. Yeah. I'm about hungry. I worked out earlier. About 2 hours. I came out here and worked out on the car. But itching, dirty. Yeah, almost finished. Almost. But at least we got something done and accomplished today. Tomorrow, gotta go get me some tools so I can, like I said, cut up this fender. I might call the guy to put the new windshield in. I don't know. I'm debating. Oh yeah, when I got off earlier, because I had to check my bet, I won a little $300. Shit, I might pay for the windshield with that. Who knows? Who knows, YouTube? Yeah, man, I was just checking back in to let y'all know. I got it done. I'll catch y'all next time. Maybe next time I'll give y'all a longer episode or whatever it's called. Right now, today, this is going to be a short. Let me get with y'all. Holla.